Welcome to third session of supply chain management. In this session, first we will talk about the importance and future of supply chain. Then we will discuss what kind of skills and abilities you should develop to become a supply chain specialist. As per international study, supply chain specialist, global procurement specialist, and logistics coordinator are high demand professions in all over the world. Whereas demand of above professions will be increased soon, and just after 3 years there will be shortage of supply chain specialists in the world. Profession is combination of qualities and skills in a specific area. I will not waste your time to convince you and ask you to join our training programs. Just browse and get the current status of available jobs in supply chain, which is not limited to your region or country, also all over the world. COVID affected the market and one of the major causes of unemployment for the last 2 years. But no one can deny the exceptional growth of e-commerce business all over the world. Huge import and export were reported and international freight is going higher and higher. Employers and employees are diverting their directions, and even existing business are also shifting to e-commerce to increase the sales. There are around 20 million e-commerce websites are functioning all over the world, also increasing the numbers on regular basis. Please try to think and find out the missing points between the existing crisis and fast-growing e-commerce business or online business, and what is the role of supply chain management. Once you will develop the interest, you will find the answers of these questions and you will be able to create and catch the opportunities. Experienced people and students are worried about their professions. Future is based on our selective profession, which is considering the main tool of achieving the targets. Correct decisions should be on right time are always creating hundreds of opportunities. Now we will discuss what kind of skills and abilities you should develop to become a supply chain specialist. One of the unique quality of supply chain specialist is prompt decision making power based on situation and time. His directions, responses and communication can't be same all the time. His communication is not a standard draft which is releasing by admin officer after little amendment or editing. Here are some skills and qualities of supply chain specialist. Passionate, interested in e-commerce, trade, online business and business functions. Continuous study and research on demand and supply, local as well as international. Accepting the challenges on regular basis. Familiar with complete organizational structure and responsibilities of each individual. Prepare for any stressful moment. Build and maintain business relationship. Solid understanding of ordering, logistics, warehouse management. Summarize the complicated cases. Finalize the payment terms with suppliers or service providers and responsible for payments. You can imagine the value and importance of timely response by supply chain specialists, that sometime cost of an hour is $120 and it could be $12,000 depending on the value of order and size of the shipment. For example, if procurement officer delay to confirm the bill of lading, then amendment charges will be $120. So, if you want a lower stress or stress-free job and don't want to play a leading role, not interested to get handsome salary, increment, bonus, respect in your organization or in the market, then supply chain management is not for you. There is an example: you can't make money without investing money. But I'm telling to all my students before joining the classes that if you are not interested to make money, then don't invest your money. Basically, supply chain management is dry subject, same like economics, law and CA. Only specific people, those having interest in these area, are getting success, but maximum people are trying a lot to become successful. I'll not use the sentences or para from any book. I will try to use simple English words for better understanding. We also used same in our lecture for each course. Hope this video also increase your knowledge, and in our upcoming video we will discuss about some important functions or tools of supply chain and how to get the price code from supplier, which are most important topics. Thank you.